Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to show you how to boost and speed up your mobile hotspot, how to turn on 5G to make it super faster. So do a swipe up on your phone and tap on settings, tap on connections here. Scroll down and tap on mobile hotspot and tethering, and you want to turn on your mobile hotspot. It will trigger that it will turn off your Wi-Fi, simple tap turn off. Then you can go ahead and go to the settings of the mobile hotspot by simple tap on the mobile hotspot name there. If you scroll down a bit, you will see band. And as you can see, it says 2.4 gigahertz. So if you tap on that, you'll be able to tap on it again and you can switch it to preferred 5 gigahertz. So if you tap on 5 gigahertz there and tap on save, guys, your hotspot is now super faster and running 5G. So whosoever connected to your mobile hotspot will have a faster internet experience, and this is very great. Now, if you find value in this video, give this video a like, let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release another tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much, guys, and see you next time.